Do you have a hard time finding time to actually implement your marketing strategy? Maybe you know exactly what you want to do. Maybe you've taken all the courses and done all the mapping, but you never actually have the time to sit down. Well, this is where the LinkedIn Marketing Growth Mastermind comes in because it actually gives you that time, that space, and that purpose to move forward through accountability, consistency, and an implementation session that gets it done for you. But then you sit down, open your computer, and you think, maybe I'll do it tomorrow. Tomorrow turns into 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. Before you know it, it's months before you've done it. Do you need that extra little kick? Push you in the right direction to being consistent and being accountable not only to someone else, but to yourself. Because at the end of the day, the most important person on your calendar is you. Well, that's where the LinkedIn Marketing Growth Mastermind comes in. It gives you that extra little kick in the pants to make sure that you're doing it, but also provides the supportive environment that you need and that's lacking for most solopreneurs to actually get out there and make a difference. They know what they need to do, but they don't have the time, or they have the time, but they don't have any accountability to actually execute it. So if you are ready to get started with being accountable and consistent, LinkedIn Marketing Growth Mastermind is for you. I'm going to have to